single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, food lovers? I'm Tony Two-Ton, and this is Jackson. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
Hi. So today we have something special for y'all. My brother from another mother went straight up to Boston and got these lobsters for us. Very delicious lobster. It's good lobster, huh, Jackson? Yeah, he got a fresh live lobster from Boston. Now we're about to cook it up. I'm gonna show you how to grill it, and we're gonna do a garlic and parsley butter style. All right, let's go. So here we go, guys. Gloves on. Ready? We got some lobster. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna split the lobster right through the head and the tail so fast they won't even feel it. So here we go. Do one at a time. My handy dandy knife. Just like that. Just like that. Salt. Don't forget to take the rubber bands out.
I got the towel. Show you what Jasmine. Can I show me you what
What's up? guys, the finished product. See that? Good, delicious lobster, fresh. Here we go. Squeeze some lemon on there. We're gonna taste it for you. This is my buddy Brandon, Mr. Wang here. He got this from Boston. Flew overnight. Actually, he flew there in the morning, came back at night. Business trip. Good man right here. You don't want to overcook this. It will be chewy. So you just put it like 2-3 minutes each side. Just whole piece of meat come out. Just like that. See that? Big old piece of meat. Tastes like charbroil. Delicious. What do you think?
Excellent. Charred flavor on that. The herbs, butter.
Some parsley. This is way better than steaming it. It's good stuff. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing for me, all right? Tony Two Ton, we out.